So my name is Marcus Su. The topic today we are going to talk about is the gaining CAE insight in your CAD software with SYNC. So the outline today, first we still, if you don't know about Moldex3D SYNC, we still talking about some features and the benefit of Moldex3D SYNC. And also how the CAD design verification the SYNC can do. And the third one is a new function in SYNC. It's a simulation DFM. We call it SDFM. And last one, the design parameter study, DPS. So first, we still need to mention about the Moldex3D SYNC support version. In Moldex3D 2022, we support still 3 platforms. So for PTC Creo, we support up to 8.010, and for NX to 2007. For SOLIDWORKS, support version up to 2022. So the idea for Moldex3D SYNC is very simple. We want to have a combination of 3D modeling and simulation, because intuitive solution for best design. So first, because it's full integration with the leading CAD like Creo, NX, SolidWorks, and you can do the seamless workflow from CAD to CAE, which means you can directly access from the familiar CAD interface and running Moldex3D simulation. Synchronous validation for design change, and replace some try and error. We can do some design of experiment to enhance the cost efficiency. Also, the now SYNC supports automatic 3D mesh, auto report, also the parallel computing, and the simulation capacity, including flow pack, cool warp, fiber orientation, and insert molding.